We are going to start few questions from class 6 book of NCERT chapter 1. Try these. Question 1. A bus started its journey and reached different places with a speed of 60 km per hour. The journey is shown below and a diagram is given of that journey. So what is given to us? What is given? Speed of bus 60 km per hour, and the diagram is given of the journey of the bus. So I am drawing the diagram here. Point A, it reaches to point B, and distance between point A is given, A and B is given 4170. Then it reaches from B to C, and the distance between B to C is given 3410. 3410 kilometer. From C to D is, the distance is 2160 kilometer. 2160 kilometer. Then it reaches to E. The distance given is 8140 kilometer. 8140 kilometer. From E to F, the distance given is 4830 kilometer. 4830 kilometer. F to G, distance given is 2550 kilometer. 2550 kilometer. And G to A back is 1290 kilometer. 1290 kilometer. So this is the diagram given, and the question asked is find total distance covered by bus from A to D. Part 1, distance from A to D. So the A to D is, from A to B is A to B is 4170 kilometer. B to C 3410 kilometer. C to D is 2160 kilometer. If we add all these, we get the distance 0, 4, 7, 9,740 kilometer. Part 2. Find the distance covered by the bus from D to G. Distance from D to G. So D to E 8,140 kilometer. E to F 4,830 kilometer. F to G 2,550 kilometer. And their sum is 0, 2, 5, 5, 1, which is 15,520 kilometer. The next question is third part. Distance from A to A in complete round trip. So we have already calculated above. A to G, A to D. From here we get the sum 9,740. 9,740 kilometer. D to G, from here 15,520. 15,520. And G to A, from the given diagram 1,290. 1,290 kilometer, and their sum comes out to be 0, 5, 5, 6, 2. So 26,550 kilometer. Fourth question asked is, can you find the difference of distances from C to D and D to E? So fourth question, difference C to D and D to E. And D to E. So the D to E is 8,140 kilometer minus C to D 2,160 kilometer, and the answer is 5,900 80 kilometer. The fifth part of this question is find out the time taken by the bus to reach. Part A, time from A to B. The distance between A to B is 4170 kilometer. 4170 kilometer, and the speed is 60 kilometer. So if we divide 4170 by 60, we get, first step, this we get 417. It goes for 6, so this is 360, and the remainder here is 57. We carry 0 from above, then it is going for 9 times, so 540, and subtracting we get 30. Now we put decimal and carry 0, so we get 5. So the time we get is 69.5 hours. If the bus runs continuously, then we get this much time. Now part B, C to D. Time taken from C to D. So distance between C to D is 2160 kilometer. 2160 kilometer is divided by the speed 60. This is going for 3 times 180. Remainder is 36. We carry 0 from above, and it goes for 6 times, and remainder is 0. So the answer comes out to be 36 hour. Time 36 hour if bus goes without any halt anywhere. Part C, E to G. E to G, the distance from E to G is E to F. E to G, the distance is first E to F, (4,830 kilometer). F to G is 2,550 kilometer. The total distance is 7,380 kilometer. So 7,380 kilometer divided by 60, which is the speed, we get the time. So this is one time. Remainder is 13. We carry 8 from above. It goes for 2 times. We get remainder as 18. We carry 0 from above. It goes for 3, 180. So answer here is time is 123 hours. Again, when the bus doesn't stop anywhere. And part D, total journey time for total journey. As for A to A, from A to A, the total distance we have already calculated. From above we get 26,550, and if it is divided by the speed 60, it goes 4 times 240. So when subtracted we get 25. We carry 5 from above. Again it goes for 4. We get on subtraction 15. Carry 0 2 times, which is 120. On subtraction we get 30. We put the decimal here and carry 0. It goes for 5 times. So total time we get is 442.5 hours. If the bus doesn't stop anywhere. We go to the next question. We have been given the rates of various items being sold at Raman's shop. The rates given are apples rupees 40 per kg. I am putting up the given items. Question number 2. Rates of items or things in Raman's shop. I am putting up here rates, things, price. Apple 40 per kg. Oranges 30 per kg. Rupees 30 per kg. I am not writing rupees per kg. Combs rupees 3 each or for one piece. Toothbrush rupees 10 per piece, which is each. Pencil rupees 1 for each number. Notebooks rupees 6 each. Soap cake rupees 8 each. These are the rates given to us. Now on the basis of this, we have been asked the questions. We have been given the sales figure during the last year. Sales during last year. Apples 2457 kg. Oranges 3004 kg. Combs 22,760. Numbers. Toothbrush 25,367. Pencils 38,530. Notebooks 40,002. Soap cakes 20,005. These are the data given to us. Now the question is, part A, can you find out total weight of apple and oranges Raman sold last year? So part A, weight of apple, (2,457 kg) plus weight of orange, oranges is 3,004 kg. The total weight is 5,461. 5,461 kg. Part B, can you find the total money Raman got by selling apples? So part B, money by selling apples. The quantity sold is 2,457 kg multiplied by the rate given is 40 rupees per kg. That comes out to be 98,280 rupees. The third question, can you find out the total money Raman got by selling apples and oranges together? So we'll have to find out the money received by selling oranges. So money by oranges. The quantity sold of oranges is 3004 kgs and the rate given is 30. This comes out to be 90,120 rupees. And we have to find the total of apple and oranges. So from here we get the money received by apple. So money received by apple is, we get 90,280 plus money by orange is 90,120. The sum of these two is 1,88,400. Part of the question is make a table showing how much money Raman received from selling each item. Arrange the entries of the amount of money received in descending order. Find the item which brought him the highest amount. How much is this amount? So we have to make a complete table showing the quantity, item quantity, rate and total money. So such type of table is also called bill or invoice. So we make the items, we put serial number here, items, quantity, price and amount. So serial number 1 is apples, the quantity sold was 2,457 kg. The rate is 40 rupee and the amount we get is 98,280. Item number 2 which sold was oranges. The quantity sold was 3,004 kg. The rate was 30 rupees and the total cost comes out to be 90,120. The third item is combs. The number of combs sold is 22,000. 760, and the rate was rupees 3 each. So the total amount comes out to be 68,280. When we multiply these two, we get this figure. The fourth item sold was toothbrushes. The total quantity sold was 25,367. At the rate of 10 rupees each. So the amount comes out to be 2,53,670. Fifth item sold was pencils. The total quantity sold was 38,530. And the rate was 1 rupee each. So this amount remains the same, 38,530. Sixth item sold was notebooks. The quantity sold was 40,002 numbers. The rate was 6 for each item, and the amount comes out to be 2,40,012. Seventh item sold was soap cakes. The quantity sold is 20,005. The rate is rupees 8 each. So amount comes out to be 1,60,040. The total of these comes out to be 9,48,932. So we have made the complete chart. Now we have to arrange the entries of amount of money received in descending order. So in descending order we get the amount highest first. So 2,53,670 was the item sold was toothbrushes. 2,53,670. The next comes out to be 2,40,012. 2,40,012. This is the item sold is notebooks. Then third is ₹1,60,040, and this is from soap cakes. 1,60,040 rupees. ₹1,60,040. Next comes out to be 98,280, which is from apples. $98,280. This amount we get from the apples. Then the amount we get next is 90,120 from oranges. Then we get 68,280 from combs. 68,280 from combs. Then we get the least quantity or amount from sale of pencils, which is 38,530. 38,530. The next part of the question is find the item which brought him the highest amount. How much is that amount? Naturally, the item in descending order, the first is the items which brings the highest amount. So highest amount was 2,53,670, which was from tooth brushes. So the highest amount earned is from toothbrushes. Highest amount from toothbrushes. And that amount is 53,670. In the next video, we are going to solve few more questions given as examples in the book.